We just got someone eating her Tootsies in the background. Oh, she all up in there. Hello internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have a Project Pan introduction. This is for the Colourpan Project Pan. This is the 5th round. I could be wrong, I'll correct myself in the comments of this project. This project was created by Misty. As always, she'll be listed down below, and this collab is a Fantastic Ladies collab, so the master list will be listed down below as well. This project started January 18th. I'm late. Are we surprised? Not really. And this will end December 18th. So the premise of this project is everything has to be Colourpop or Fourth Way Beauty, or do they have any other brands? Right? And the goal is 3 to 5 items. I forget if it has to be rolling or if it can be. Either way, I'm doing rolling. And I switched it up. I switched it up a little bit from last year, but I'm very excited to use everything. So, starting us off is a blush, because of course it is. This is from the Powerpuff Girls collab. This is the blush called Saving the World. So it's a very, it looks more orangey today, but it's a very peachy blush. My goal will be to use it 20 times. Not too bad, not too bad. I am keeping the goal with the Super Shock. So this Super Shock is a cheap date, and similar to how I did this project last year, my goal will be to hit pan. If I hit the little divot in the center first, because it's more raised, that's fine. It will still count. I just want use on my Super Shock so they don't go bad. Next, I have a eyeliner. This is Wildcat. I'm excited to pair it actually with Cheap Date because it is such a like gold, more like an antique gold. My goal will be to use it 5 times, so very excited for that. And last but not least, I always fly through this project because I get so excited. I don't remember the name of this one. It's something dragon. It's wiped off and I don't remember. This is from the Winx collab. I think they made these permanent. A lot of people didn't like these, but I like them. It is just a very, it's kind of like a low-key holographic. Like it's a duochrome. But it's from a pink to a more icy white. Very gorgeous. My goal will be to use it 10 times. I think, at least for now, for this year, for this project, I'm always going to want to have a blush in because I have so many. Super Shock, once again, because I have so many. An eyeliner. And then I think the last option will be eyeshadow sticks. Because I have a couple from Colourpop. And then once I run out, or like hit the goals on the ones I have, because I think I have 5. And the usage goal is only 10. So if I really want to, I could completely hit 10 before the next update. I don't know if I'm going to roll back in small eyeshadow palettes or what I want to do. I have a couple highlighters from Colourpop, but one just got out of a project and one is going in a project, so I don't know if I want to put them in. We shall see, because I have definitely a lot of Colourpop, but I have been good this past year with not getting too many. And the Colourpop that has come into my life, I've either bought secondhand and unused, I should say, or was like a very meticulous purchase. Yeah, they really haven't surprised me, but they also did post a lot less this past year, which, like, honestly grateful, because fatigue. Colourpop fatigue. But yeah, that is what I'm gonna be working with. I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. I feel like everything is wearable. They all work well-ish together. We got like 2 duos, like the blush and the stick, and then the Super Shock shadow and the eyeliner, perfect together. So yeah, wish me luck. I wish you all luck if you're partaking, and I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.